New layer of transparency is coming to the execution chamber in Tennessee. A judge now says witnesses can see more of the process. Several media companies, including Tegna and parent company of WBIR, joined the lawsuit. To explain the changes, we turn to 10 News reporter Olivia Degg. Olivia.
John, for years, journalists argued that they couldn't see key moments when the state carried out executions, and now a chancellor is challenging that, allowing official witnesses, including the media, to observe the process essentially from start to finish. Now, when a journalist or member of the public witnesses an execution, they're seated in a dark room, the witness chamber, waiting for the blinds to be raised up. And before this ruling, those blinds didn't go up until after the inmate was strapped into the electric chair or an IV was placed in their arm. And they came back down, those blinds did, before a doctor officially declared the inmate was dead. Now, a judge says witnesses, including the media, can observe the entire process from the moment the inmate enters the room until a doctor says that they're dead. We spoke with an attorney with the Reporters Committee for Freedom of the Press who explained why this is important for transparency.
It gives the public, through these official witnesses, the media and others, a fuller understanding of what is taking place during the execution. When the state, executes people under the law, it's important to make sure it is done in a humane way, that it is done in compliance with constitutional standards, and this increased access allows for more oversight of that process.
And we'll see how that oversight plays out this year. Tennessee has 4 executions scheduled, including Krista Pike, who was convicted of kidnapping and brutally murdering Colleen Slemmer in Knoxville in 1995. Now, the state of Tennessee argued that if members of the media saw some of the processes, like the medical staff, it would endanger the people working there. But the chancellor ruled that people carrying out the execution process can cover up their uniform, ID badge, and hair with a disposable protective suit, and they can also wear a mask to protect their identity. John.
Olivia Degg breaking down the very latest on that story.